So today we are going to take up the topic elements. In continuation with the last topic, pure substances, we are going to take up the part of the pure substance which is elements. Now my dear students, as you can see, an element is a pure substance, and the very important feature that you must remember is that it cannot be broken down into any simpler chemical substances by ordinary methods, by ordinary physical or chemical methods. So now you can say that it is a basic form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. So now this definition was given by Lavoisier. Now Antoine Lavoisier, he gave this concept in 1789, but before that Mr. Robert Boyle was there, who firstly gave the scientific definition about the elements. Now this is all about the history. Now presently you must remember that it cannot be broken down, and secondly you should know that there are three types of elements: metal, non-metal and the metalloids. Class 8 we have understood in what are the differences between metal and non-metal. Some basic points I am revising again. They are lustrous, sonorous, malleable, ductile. They have the high melting and boiling point. They are good conductors. They have high density and etc. Now remembering the examples, silver, gold, copper, zinc, they are just common examples. But other than that, you might have revised your reactivity series in 8th standard, where you have learned the strong reactive elements for potassium, the sodium. See the down bottom line, K stands for potassium, then comes sodium, barium, calcium, magnesium. Then turning back, the space was less, so I have just taken the help of the arrows: aluminium, zinc, iron, tin and lead and hydrogen. And below that the least reactive elements, which are the gold, silver, and the silver, gold and the platinum will be there. Now non-metals, the properties which are not like they are non-lustrous, they are not sonorous, not malleable, not ductile, you can revise it. Examples, very important my dear students, remember the example: HO, hydrogen, oxygen, because both are present in water; carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, iodine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, ऐसे याद कर लीजिएगा. Metalloids are certain elements which show the intermediate properties of metals and non-metals. It includes a lot of elements, but we are focusing on these three: boron, B, silicon, Si, and germanium, Je. Now as you can see my board, you might see a concept map is there, which will just revise your element concept, and the topics are elements. The two historical concept is there. Robert Boyle, the role, he was the first person to give the scientific definition. Lavoisier gave a proper definition which we are still using it. Then elements are pure substances. Elements are made up of same kind of atoms. Some facts which you should know about elements is more than 115, if I'm exact, 118 elements are there in the periodic table. 90 are natural, 90 and then of course maximum are solids. 2 elements are liquid, that is mercury and the bromine, metal mercury, and bromine is the non-metal. 11 elements are found in the gaseous state. Now, lot of interesting facts are there with all of the elements. I have written few. There are lot many. The board becomes short, but just revise the definition of element and what makes up the element. Thank you.